Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Alaska Stock Talk here again, and today it's going to be kind of a short one. We're going to look at some technical analysis, go over a little bit about what I had said yesterday and what played out today in the market, and let's go ahead and get right into that. Pull up our charts here. All right. So, if we take a look here, like I've been saying, go ahead and check out some of the last videos. So I guess I better throw the quick disclaimer in there, right? Please don't, this isn't financial advice. Don't take anything I say as advice to go buy, sell, or continue to hold this stock. This is purely for entertainment to just see if I can make some correct calls here and where I think OCGN might be going. So that's all. All right, so yesterday I said how the 100 MA was about to cross the 50, or vice versa, I guess. The 50 is about to cross the 100, and the 13s cross the 200 now. And we have the 5. We just came down and kissed the 5 MA here, which is exactly what I said might happen. Which is a good reason to use technical analysis, right? I saw that coming before it happened, and I bought that dip. We could go lower tomorrow, but guess what? If we come down to the 13 MA, I'll be buying that dip too. That's kind of how that works. But that's me, okay? That doesn't mean that's what you should be doing. That I've been studying the stock for a long time. I have conviction in it, and that's why I'm buying. Doesn't mean you should. So, let me go ahead and show you this. I don't know how many of you guys have been watching all of my videos or watching all the way through, but let me just show you this so you can kind of see why you don't have to do TA, but why it can be helpful to do some technical analysis and know how to use the MAs and Fibonacci's and all that kind of stuff. So let's take a quick listen here. Again, like I was kind of saying in the last video, or 2 videos ago, I said this is very bullish for OCGN, and usually it means that the stock goes up, but it's not immediate, right? And you can see that here. If we zoom in and look at Meta, you can see that it wasn't immediate, right? Once we crossed the 200, well, it was pretty immediate, right? Once we crossed the 200, it also looks pretty, just before, really, it was immediate shoot up. But then what happened? It came back down, right? So that's what I expect we're gonna do too. We're gonna come back. It's probably not gonna go too far down. It may come down a few cents or whatever. Couple cents until we hit the 5 or we hit the 13 MA, just like Facebook over here, and then we keep bouncing off of that. We may even keep following this chart, which is pretty cool. I haven't touched this flip. Okay, so yeah, you can see, I called exactly what happened today. We came down, we kissed the 5 there, and we started to come back up here. So yeah, that's pretty cool that you can kind of use these to see what might happen. And if I had a guess, I might say that we're gonna go up tomorrow. Maybe I'm just hopeful. But there's another thing that we can kind of see here that makes me think that we may do that. So let's zoom in a little bit here, because I kind of see something here on the chart, and let me just see if I'm correct. Let's see. Oop. Let's put this here, and let's do this. Yeah, I kind of see this a perfect pennant here, and what this usually means is that there can be a breakout, right? Usually when you get to the point of a pennant, a breakout can happen, and granted, it could be going up,
and it could go down. That's I don't know which way it's gonna go, right? And we can do this here. Computer's kind of acting up here. And then you can go like this. You can kind of see if we do have some sort of bullish push out of this pennant, we can take a pretty big move up, or we can move down. And it doesn't mean that it's going to go all the way down or all the way up from here. That's just one indicator that you can kind of use to get a little bit of what might happen. And you never know, maybe the market's turning bad, or your bad news or something can make this happen, or maybe we get some good news and it shoots up, or maybe we just break out of the pennant a little bit and we continue on this trajectory here on this. I don't know, but just my guess is we may go up a little bit here tomorrow, maybe back up to the 70 cents where we were towards this high here. And so that's kind of my guess for tomorrow, just because we bounced off of the 5 MA there pretty well today, right? And we held the line. So, and we're getting close to this, which ends, right? By the end of tomorrow, we get to the point of this. So if something is to happen, if we're going to move somewhere, I'm expecting that it might happen tomorrow or maybe the next day here. Okay, so that's my little guesstimation for tomorrow. It could go up or down, so don't make any decision on this video. I'm just kind of telling you guys what I see. And let me bring this back here so I can talk to you guys. That's just what I see in the charts, okay? I want to thank you guys for, I think I have like 14 subscribers already, which is funny. Not really, I didn't really start this to get subscribers, but that's kind of cool, you know. That helps me, or it lets me know that other people, if you're coming here and subscribing to watch me make these videos about just OCGN, that lets me know that you want to stay up to date for the stock that you're in, right? Which is how it should be. If you're invested here in OCGN, you should be trying to figure out everything that's going on, following TA, following the news, doing your own digging, right? So you're not just listening to people like me or people on Twitter that you don't know. Do your own research into OCGN and figure out if it's something that you want to invest in, or if it's something you want to hold long term, or if it's something you're going to sell when we go up a few bucks. That's on you, right? Do your own research, okay? I just want to say I've really been enjoying making these videos, and I've been trying to think of other video ideas that I can make, maybe even not about stocks, but just other things, because I've just been really enjoying it, actually, which is pretty funny, because I really used to hate listening to myself on recordings, and now I kind of enjoy it, and I credit my college classes to that. I've had to make a ton of videos for my classes, and that's really helped me come a long way, and now I'm enjoying this. I used to get super nervous, and now I'm enjoying making videos for, I see I'm getting a couple hundred views a video, which is pretty awesome. So if you've been enjoying these, give a like, share it with people, and that's going to help other people learn about OCGN, right? Which is what we want, especially since it's such a good company with such good morals and values. No matter what people say, trying to say scam stock and that Shankar and his family are scammers, it couldn't be the farthest from the truth. These people, I say they're probably some of the best that I've seen in a biotech stock when it comes to just what I said, the morals and everything that I see that they're about, in helping people that are less fortunate, whether it's in other countries, or making sure that poor people are going to be able to get vaccines and stuff like that. I think that's just awesome, and I can stand behind that and feel good about putting my money into this company. So yeah, this one ended up being a little longer than I thought. But that's alright. I hope you guys have a good night, and I hope we see some action tomorrow on the stock, and hopefully it's in the right direction. So, you guys have a good night. Alright.